Welcome back to Project Bedford. Just doing a very quick one tonight. Going to be doing just a follow-up. We're going to be doing a small video. I've been posting just pictures that I put together, just small shorts with the instructions of how these actually are in the book. I've been posting those. Been making up the electric leads, the battery leads. One's going to be going from obviously the positive to the earth, and the negative to the starter motor. These are made both the same length, approximately, so that we can change them over when we're doing the reverse polarity, changing it from a positive earth to a negative earth. The battery is going to be staying where it is for the time being. It's much too much of a problem to try and just change it for the aesthetics of it. So we'll be doing that. There'll be a full video of the polarity reversal. And we got the new spark plugs. These are the old J8s, probably the originals. They have a 30 thou gap. It's 0.76 mil, something like that. And they are actually still quite white within the tolerance that they need to be. So there's 30 thou. Nice new set of feeler gauges for the project. So there's 30 thou. Absolutely perfect. It's probably as good as you get. These are the NGKs. I'm a fan of the NGKs. I don't mind Bosch or anything, but I know NGK are Japanese. They just happen to make some things better. They don't make them to 30 thou. This is probably about 20. So I'm just going to have to bend these out a bit. I'm not going to be using any pressure to bend this out tonight. It's too much of a delicate job. I'm not a delicate person, so this will be done in a lot more time frame. So we've got the 6 of those. I've got some radiator flush. I've got to run some water through it first. We know the engine turns over. And yeah, so that's about it. It is raining, it is cold, and I hate the cold. I'm not a big fan of it, never have been, never will be. And yeah, so that's it for the time. Just a quick update. And yeah, we'll be doing the motor turnover as soon as A, it stops raining, B, I've got time, and C, it'll be videoed and you'll be watching it crank over and start it for the first time. Got some really interesting premium starting fluid and throttle and body cleaner. I couldn't get any Starchy Bastard, so I get a lot of my stuff through Super Cheap Auto. They're close, they're cheap, and this is not an expensive project, so I'm buying stuff cheap as possible. Send money. No, don't send money. But subscribe and like, and yeah, I'll get subscribers up, that'd be great. And as soon as possible, I'll get the started video to you, and I'm going to do some interior work. I'm going to do some slight adjustments to the interior, and I'll keep you updated with that, and I'll be posting as often as I can. So Project Bedford, jeez, I hate the cold. Thanks a lot.